What up, YouTube, and welcome to Willie Behind the Wheel. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button somewhere around there somewhere. But anyways, I'm going to be doing some vlogging. I'm going to be doing some how-to videos. I'm going to be covering a couple car events here and there. And I'm also going to be, updating you guys on my vehicles and the progress on them. They're still a work in progress. And this right here behind me is my 95 Honda Civic Coupe. Still a work in progress. And over here we have my Honda Ridgeline sitting on some F1R wheels, a Tour Trailblazer tires. Give that a nice, clean, aggressive look. Yes, this is a daily right here. And my race car. This is my 95 Honda Civic EX Coupe. It is a street car on Nitrous. Direct point Nitrous, making about 407 to the wheels. Pretty fun street car. LSV tech. Nothing too crazy. It's a B series. Put exit header. But yeah, guys, thank you for visiting my channel. Subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned. Got more to come for you guys. See what else we do to this thing, and get it to the racetrack, do some numbers, and we'll see what it does. Thank you for visiting my channel. Subscribe.